Hello everyone! Today we are discussing one of the core aspects of WordPress, understanding the differences between pages and post. So first, let's go over the basic definitions. Post. In WordPress, posts are what make up the blogging aspect of your website. They are entries listed in reverse chronological order on your site's blog. Because they are dated and organized in this manner, posts are ideal for time-sensitive content like news updates, blog articles, or even announcements. Pages, on the other hand, they're static, meaning they're not part of the regular chronological listing of posts. Pages are meant to contain timeless information that you want to always be easily accessible on your website. Examples would include an About Us page, a Contact Us page, what services you offer, or frequently asked question pages. Now, with the basics covered, let's dive a bit deeper. Let's talk about a hierarchy structure. Unlike posts, pages in WordPress can have a hierarchy structure. This means you can nest pages under other pages by designating one as the parent page. That looks a little bit like this, where you see the services over here. Underneath it, we have our specialties, which is nested under our services. That's great. This isn't quite possible with posts, but posts can be categorized using tags and categories, whereas your pages generally cannot. Generally, your post will include an author and a publish date, while your pages will not. This is because posts are timely and associated with an individual, while pages provide static content that is timeless and often not tied to a single author. For the purpose of example here, you will see our author is an admin. That's fine. We have categories. Okay, great. We have no tags here, but you could set those. I could set it as a pastry or a wedding or so on and so forth. And we have a date as well as how many comments. As you can see, the post is facilitating interaction. It's encouraging comments. You don't always have to do that, but it's encouraging comments, encouraging people to search, find via that post. Now, with that being said, let's take a look at a real-time example of what a page versus a post may look like on a website. So over here, we have our home page. As we scroll down, you can see the material here is meant to provide an understanding of what this business does. I'm not going to be changing this material very often. Most of it's meant to capture and sort of lead to a call to action. Great. If we look at a post instead, generally a post is reflective of some sort of expertise we have in an area. So here we are Mittens Baking. So we are discussing the magic of non-processed ingredients in baking, how we create healthier, tastier baked goods. This is more information for someone to read, someone to, forgive my pun, someone to digest and understand as they're going forward. Whereas on your original pages, they will have information about your website, service, or business, as opposed to the information about the topic they are researching on your blog.